everyone! Welcome to my channel. I am Shari of Cagayan de Oro City, and for today's video guys, I will bring you with me. Pupunta tayo sa isang place kung saan pwede tayong mag-relax at pwede tayong magpa-ganda. So, I will bring you with me and let's see how this goes.
Welcome to Bio Essence. Okay, ma'am. So, based sa akong assessment sa imong skin, so imong skin type, ma'am, is combination. So, that means, oily imong T-zone, and then dry imong U-zone. So, ang imong pong eye area, ma'am, is medyo purple color siya sa itong skin analysis. So, that means, dry imong skin, ma'am, kulang kag tulog, or kulang ka og sleep. So, which man ana, ma'am?
Kulang tulog or kulang og water?
Water, yes. So, pila din ka glass of water imong ginadrink?
Mga 4 to 5 siguro.
Okay, so
mostly coffee.
so kailangan ba mamlahi mo ng coffee or water, so dapat 8 glass of water gid imong ma-drink a day. And then sa imong katong mga orange nga dot na sa imong nose area, sa imong forehead, that is blackheads and whiteheads, which is kailangan na siya ma-remove. And then, na itong mga brown spots, ma'am, pero gamay naman hinuon siya since you are young pa man. So, that is pigmentation. So, kailangan din natin, ma'am, is maggamit ta og sunblock every day.
Wow.
Especially na og magbigo ta sa beach, so kailangan din na siya, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. For a pampering experience and avail our Mother's Day promo for only $9.99 on all signature facials. Visit us here at 3rd floor Ayala Mall, St. Rio, beside Panagatan Restaurant. You can connect with us with our contact details below. Thank you so much and see you Cagayanon! Hello guys, I'm already done. Ginawa nila sa akin yung oxygen intensive treatment. Sobrang ganda po sa pakiramdam. Parang may malamig, mainit na kung anong ginawa. Kaya sobrang feeling ko ang linis ng skin ko. Wala pa akong makeup, kilay lang para sure. Sobrang linis po ng face ko and sobrang lambot po. So guys, I will give a gift certificate if you can share this one. Kung sino po yung may pinakamaraming reactions, I will give one gift certificate and you can avail their services dito po sa Bio Essence. So, ayun, we have
have a really wonderful experience with Bio Essence. Sobrang accommodating po ng mga staff nila at syempre, pinaka-importante talaga ng isang na-experience ko yung sa skin analysis na part kasi i-advise ka kung ano yung treatment na dapat na gawin sa'yo at titingnan nila yung face mo kung ano yung problem kasi minsan hindi natin alam kung ano na yung nangyayari sa face natin. So yun, I would also recommend the sauna. Sobrang sarap sa pakiramdam. Sobrang daming pawis na lumabas sa katawan ko. And also my husband experienced the whole body massage. And yun guys, visit kayo sa kanila. Nasa Century Mall po sila, 3rd floor. And mag-contact lang po kayo para makapag-book kayo ng appointment with them. So yes, that's all again for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. God bless everyone!